Hello YouTubers. Got a new project today. I just finished up and I wanted to show you. It's pretty simple to do if you want to do this. So I thought I'd put it out there just to show you. But it's going to be a little dark because I'm on the inside looking out. But I've basically got a 5-foot table here. I think it's about 18 inches wide, 16 inches wide, something like that. And we don't have a lot of sunlight coming in the windows. So we're using a grow light, and it's an LED grow light. To do this, I think you need to have over 5,000 or more Kelvin temperature light. And so my wife asked me to build this, so I built this out of 2x4s to hold the light up over the table in front of the window. So I'll bring this down so you can see, but it's just basically 2x4s. And like I said, it's a 5-foot table. So I've got it basically 5 feet long on the top and bottom support, 2x4. And then she wanted the light to sit at least 18 inches high at its highest when the plants are grown. So I actually made the size, the ends of the stand about 2 inches taller to add for the chain hanging light. So the sides are about 50 inches tall, so just over 4 feet. And I made it the same like the table, so that when I put it in here, it's really tight up against the table and it won't knock, or it's not loose or anything. It's basically tight up against the table right here. So it's really snug. And then the legs, I think they're about 19 inches, just to give it some stability at the bottom. But the table just went over the top of it. I actually had to loosen the screws to fit the table in just slightly, and then when I got it in, I could tighten it down, and it's back to 50 inches the same like this as the table. But I just wanted to show you this. It's just a grow light, and you can kind of see the light there, but it's and it's on, but it's kind of shuts down the lens of the camera and stuff. But I just wanted to show you that and show you how that's built. It's just 6 pieces of 2x4 cut to length, so 5 feet by 50 inches tall, and then the legs are 19 inches long and stuff. I think it took me 12 screws to put it all together, a couple of hooks to hang the lights. See that? Underneath the 2x4 here to hang the light. There's some extra chains, so she can set it at the height she wants to. And yeah, and then it's got an on-off switch too as well. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that. We're just starting our plants for the season. We're still got a lot of snow up here. It is going away, but anyways, I just wanted to show you that. And what we're doing right now as we just entered spring. So anyways, if you like this, please hit the thumbs up. And comment if you've done something similar to this, or if you're interested in doing this or not. But and please subscribe. Pass this around. I appreciate it. Thank you.